Hey y'all, let me show you how I like to do my sour cream peach cake. We're going to start off with 1 heaping tablespoon of softened butter. And we're going to add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Alright, we're going to get that butter and sugar creamed together. Alright, once your butter creams into your sugar, it's going to look like that. It's going to be a little clumpy together. We're going to add 2 large eggs and get those mixed in. And that's what you want that to look like. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And now we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and then a teaspoon of salt. All right, now we're going to get those ingredients sifted together. Now into our egg mixture, we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. We're going to add 1 teaspoon vanilla. And get that mixed together. And then I'm slowly going to start adding in my flour mixture. And I almost forgot, I need to add about 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, regular milk will be fine. All right, now we're going to take a 9x13 pan and get it greased. We're going to get our batter over in there. I've got 1 pound of frozen peaches. They're slightly thawed. I just had them sitting out. We're just going to take them. We don't want to push them all the way down to the bottom of the batter, but just tuck them in, kind of. We're going to take 1 cup of sugar. All right, and to that cup of sugar, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And I'm just going to take a spoon, get that mixed together. Right. We're just going to take that cinnamon sugar, get it sprinkled all over the top. All right, we're going to get our cake into our 375-degree oven and let it go for about 35 to 40 minutes. All right, I'll bake this for 40 minutes, and I've let it sit and cool a little. Now let's get us a piece. Lord of mercy, that's good.